Good morning, everybody. Please have a seat. Thank you. Today's lesson is about technology. I know you like it very much. Most of you do have a phone, a smartphone, an iPad, or a computer. Isn't that right? And let me show you up front what kind of evolution, progress, development has been made in the past 20 years of technology in the classroom. First of all, 20 years ago, we started with files. Everything was done by hand. Everything took its time. The pace of learning was slow, and it was quite labor intensive. All was written down, and a bit boring as well. Then we got to the stage of the computer with a monitor. You might have one at home. Do you? Your father had one. Well, I got one as well. But these days, we changed to laptops. Laptops. Tablets. Smartphones. And the latest invention, an iWatch. Even in this little watch, you can file everything which is stored by hand in here. All right, enough of that. What we're going to do today is establish the added value of technology in the classroom. For example, who's got a smartphone in there? You do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would you all take it out of your bag and place it on my table? Prohibit any external device except what we use in the classroom. Technology will not and is not a replacement for me, the teacher, your teacher. It's my assistant. Furthermore, it is your assistant with unprecedented, unlimited applications and possibilities. Learning management system, beautiful word. But for us teachers, it is important to know what the pros and what the cons are when we introduce technology in the classroom. You see, not only am I 60+ years old, which means a little bit old-fashioned, but I truly believe that we should not let technology take over my role. Because it's a proven fact, scientists have been proven that talking with you from human to human makes you as a learner, as a student, learn much more easily than when a device talks to you. Now let me elaborate on that. Which one of you has a Facebook account? All of you. Great. Now what do you do with your Facebook account? You send messages to your friends, and did you ever talk about exchanging educational subjects to one another? Not yet. Well, we come to that. Which one of you has a Twitter account? It's a bit different, but it's also called social media to collaborate and communicate with one another. But it's a device. It's not human. Remember that. 1, 2, most. What we need to ask ourselves when we learn about reading, writing, pronunciation is what added value technology has on our outcome. In other words, does it add value to your curriculum, to your progress? Is the student ready for technology? In other words, do you need to introduce technology to a 3-year-old? These are questions teachers have to ask themselves for you. I think so, but that's so important. Is technology readily available? In other words, do you have access to Wi-Fi? Which one of you have access to Wi-Fi? All of you. But where? Exactly at home. In our town, we do not have access to Wi-Fi other than at home. Not in public, but at home. One of the cons. Next thing we have to ask ourselves is the content choice. Technology has a lot of advantages. For example, if you have studied our lesson about memory over the past 2 weeks, you will have worked with paperwork, textbook, transcript, copy, modified the audio. In some cases, even redefined the audio. Technology has a lot of advantages, but it also has a downside. A downside of abstraction. When we concentrate on technology, I don't want you to move freely with your devices to any contact I cannot check. Technology in the classroom is strictly pinpointed to the objectives we have set ourselves. We set the goals first, and the technology we choose later. Thank you very much, children. And I wish you all at Coursera Happy New Year. Stay healthy. Thank you very much.